Hey everyone, today I am showing you how to get this soft sultry eye look using just black kohl and brown and black eyeshadow. It's smoky, effortless and perfect for day or night. So let's begin. Start by applying a thin layer of eye primer or concealer to even out your lids and make the colors pop. Now with the help of a damp sponge, I am blending it to get the seamless effect. Next, to set the concealer, I am using translucent powder to set it. I am setting my under eye areas as well. Now, I am using Rainy Midnight Black Kohl pencil to line my upper lash line. Don't worry about being too neat. We are going to smudge it out. With a smudging brush, I gently smudge the kohl into the lash line and slightly upward. This gives that soft smoky effect without looking overdone. Next, match a little brown eyeshadow over it. Again, apply a little black eyeshadow on the upper lash line and smudge it out with a brush. Next, I am using silver liquid glitter on my eyelid areas. It dries very quickly, so you have to be very fast while applying it. Then, I lightly line my waterline with black kohl for extra definition. Next, I smudge a little black eyeshadow along the lower lash line. I am using a small brush to smudge my inner and outer corners as well. Before applying mascara, I am using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Finish off with a few coats of mascara to tie it all together. You can stop here or add lashes for more drama. And there you have it, a quick smoky eye using just black kohl and black and brown eyeshadow. Let me know in the comments if you try it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy makeup looks. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.